Hello everyone. Did you know that our year has 4 seasons? We have spring, summer, autumn and winter. Now today we're going to be learning about one special season, and I have some clues here in my basket to help us work it out. Shall we have a see what we've got? Let's look. So, I have some sunglasses. When would we wear sunglasses? I have an ice cream. Now, ice creams are good any time of the year, but which season do we think of when we think of an ice cream? Oh, I have a seashell, a beautiful seashell. Oh, look. A sun hat. So a sun hat. And I've got one more that's too big for my basket. A beach ball. Now, what do all of these items have in common? That's right. We use them all in summer. Shall we have a look one more time? I have my sun hat, my sunglasses, my ice cream, my seashell, and my beach ball. And these are all special clues that mean today we are talking about summer. Now, I've got a fun game for us to play. We're going to play a game called Summer or Not. I'm going to pull things out of my basket. If you think it's something to do with summer, give me a thumbs up. If you think it's something not to do with summer, thumbs down. Maybe a grumpy face too. Are you ready to have a try? Okay. Sunglasses. Summer or not? Summer. Well done. A welly boot. Summer or not? Not. You're right, we don't want a rainy summer. Sun hat. Summer or not? Summer. Yes, good job to wear a sun hat in the summer. A Christmas jumper. Summer or not? Well, not for me, because Christmas is in my winter. So this is not a summer item. But some people in the southern part of our planet, in the southern hemisphere, they have Christmas in their summer. So they may wear a woolly jumper with Christmas things on it in their summer. But for me, and maybe for you, not. Oh, what about shell? Summer or not? For today, it's summer because we're going to the beach. Ice cream, summer or not? That's right. We might have an ice cream on the beach in the summer. And lastly, my beach ball. Summer or not? Summer. Good job, everybody. Oh, that was a busy game. I'm going to pop all those away because we're going to use them for another game later. But for now, would you like to sing a song with me? Okay. Now, it's to a tune you'll recognise, and it's got a repeat like an echo. So I can sing a line and then you can repeat it. Okay, it's a song all about summer, and I might be able to get some of our props out as we go. Are you ready? Summer, 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 summer's here, summer's here, Sunshine all around us, sunshine all around us. Summer's here, summer's here. Sun hat, sun hat, sun hat, sun hat. Put it on, put it on. Don't forget your sun cream, don't forget your sun cream. Summer's here, summer's here. Seashell, 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 seashell. On the beach, on the beach. Let's play with a beach ball, let's play with a beach ball. Summer's here, summer's here. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Cold and sweet, cold and sweet. Quick, I think it's melting, quick, I think it's melting. Summer's here, summer's here. Did you like that song? Well done, everybody. That's a good fun one to sing. Now we're going to play a game called Hot and Cold. Now, I'm going to say some words. If they're words that make you hot, then you can fan yourself. Can you do that with your hand? Good job. If it's a word that makes you feel cold, I want you to shiver and rub your arms. Good job. Now, are you ready? Sunshine, hot. Snow, chilly, cold. Sandy beach, hot. Ice cream, yes, cold. Our barbecue, hot. An ice lolly, cold. Well done, everybody. You were very good with your hot and your cold. Now, I've got something I like to do on a hot day. On a hot day, I like to go out on the sea. There's a nice breeze and the water lapping against the boat. Can you think of any boat songs? Yes, I can too. Shall we sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat? We'll just do the first two verses so we can get a scream in as well. Are you ready? Get in your boats. Grab hold of your oars. Okay. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Good job, your scream scared me a little bit then. Well done, everybody. Now, we have learnt so much about the season of summer. Shall we remind ourselves what items I had that helped us? So we had a sun hat, because the sun is quite dangerous on our heads, so we can wear a hat to protect ourselves from the sun. Very important as well to keep your sun cream on, so that stops your skin getting burnt as well. We also had some sunglasses. These are important as well because our eyes can get damaged by the sun. So we have our sunglasses. We had shell, a seashell. Now this reminds us maybe of going on holiday to somewhere hot in the summer, and we can pick up some beautiful shells off the beach. So this is our seashell. I had an ice cream. Now I know I said we might have ice creams any time of the year, but ice creams can be found when you go to the beach, when you go for a walk in the summer. and they're nice because they cool you down when you get too hot. So ice cream, and my last item was my beach ball. Now we can have fun with beach balls any time of the year, but it is much nicer to be on a nice sandy beach when it's nice and hot in the summer. Good job. Did you remember all of those? Fantastic. Well done, everyone. I can't wait to learn a new season with you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get your grown-ups to follow along, and you can learn lots more seasons with me.